Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Well, in today's video, we are discussing the potential end of Uber and actually discussing the different outcomes, the potential outcomes that Uber could completely fail. There will be no more drivers, no more passengers. Uber go bankrupt, Uber gone, bye-bye. So that's what we're talking about today, and there are actually some convincing cases. Now, before I jump in, I wanted to thank our video sponsor, which is Fetti. They are actually a new job platform which is looking for gig workers right now. So if you're a gig worker, you can click the link below, enter your email, answer a couple of questions, and with 2 minutes, they're gonna start sending you remote job offers, literal job offers, where you can make a ton of money. And a lot of them are remote, which means anywhere in the country you can sign up. So, and start making some good money. So Fetti, they're really awesome. They're a new company. Check them out, link below. It's totally free, by the way. So yeah, you can just try it out. I mean, hey, maybe you'll get an awesome new job. So, and there's a lot of companies hiring right now, especially, you know what's going on. They need to hire people, not fire people. they need to hire new people. So anyways, click the thumbs up button. And I wanted to share this article that came out, is that Elon Musk made a promise that Tesla Robotaxi will be ready in 2024, which is just a few short months away, which is just around 6 months away, that Tesla will be launching their own ride-sharing platform. Meaning, keep in mind, Tesla is a massive multi-billion-dollar company. Remember, the CEO is the richest man in the world, the owner, the founder, Elon Musk. He has disrupted the entire car industry. Mercedes and BMW still exist, but Tesla has really taken them by storm. And keep in mind, rideshare is not like this car industry. I mean, it is a car kind of industry, but like Uber and Lyft, they're the only two ones that are running right now, the bigger ones, except for Alto. But Uber and Lyft, they don't have, there's not like 20 different car companies like we see with Tesla competing with them. It's just Uber and Lyft. And I think with a company as big as Tesla coming into the play, and passengers hate Uber and Lyft, drivers hate Uber and Lyft, but it's the only option. And if Tesla can create a new, better option, I mean, go ask anybody who's driven Uber and Lyft. They ask them if you like it. They'll say, I'm just doing it because I have to. But what about these self-driving cars? And there are self-driving cars that are running right now. Like, if you don't know that, you can go to Vegas, you can go to a lot of areas, and they're approved. Like, you can get in a car, take a Lyft, and there's no driver. They're driving you around, and it's going on. You'll see these videos on TikTok, on YouTube. So people are doing it. And I think that if Tesla does this correctly, I think it could be the end of Uber and Lyft. Tesla boss Elon Musk is famous for making grand predictions of timelines for his company and then not delivering on them. So that's the thing, is that maybe he's over-promising and maybe this isn't going to happen until 2030, but who knows, even by then. I mean, 6 months, that's really soon. Still, things may be different with the company's much vaunted Robotaxi, which he promised on an earnings call Wednesday will be ready. So Tesla's a public company. This is like big when he announces this strategy. He announced it publicly. Elon Musk has previously stated that the company's full self-driving technology will allow people with Teslas to let their car go off and make them money while they're not using it. So he's actually planning to leverage people's cars that are out on the road, or that they already have that they're not using. Like, I'm just thinking, I don't have a Tesla, but like if I did, the car I have right now, I've only used my car today for maybe a couple hours, but that's just because I was out and about doing stuff. Think about all the people who work from home who they don't even drive their car in a day, or they got 2-3 cars. Imagine now, and then it's going to incentivize people to buy more Teslas because they can use that to rent it out to people. So do you think it's actually a possibility, or do you think Elon Musk is just BSing to drive up the price of the stock, which if he is, that could be, you know, a hefty legal issue. So let me know your thoughts. And again, sign up for Fetti with the link below and you can start making money, and they're gonna start sending you job offers. Just enter your email, answer a couple questions, and maybe you can throw a little party with some confetti with Fetti. So check out Fetti, link below, enter your email there, and you can get some new job offers. And they are looking for gig workers, so if you are a gig worker, make sure to check that out as well. Thanks for watching. Bye now.